Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I am going to teach you how to reply to this question, how is the weather? What are the different possibilities of replying to this question? Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, I'm going to teach you how is the weather today? What are the different possibilities of replying to this question if someone asks you, how is the weather today? Before we begin with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end, and in case you like this video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. In case you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. Now let's just start with this video. So first let's learn how do you say, how is the weather? For that you have an expression, quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps? It's not temp, it's temps. Temps. MPS, all of them are silent. So, quel temps fait-il? Which means, how is the weather? Quel temps fait-il? Now, in order to reply to this question, you will use the expression il fait. Now, what is this fait? Fait is actually the verb faire. If you do not know what exactly is the verb faire and how do you conjugate that, I'm going to mention the link of this video in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. Now, let's just start with this. If you see in all of these, I have used il fait. So whenever somebody asks you, quel temps fait-il? You have to reply by using il fait. Il fait, right? Followed by the adjective. Right? So first let's just start with il fait beau. Il fait beau. Now all of them are adjectives, right? So il fait beau. The weather is beautiful. Or generally we use it for when the weather is sunny. When there is sun. So you say the weather is beautiful. And in French that's known as il fait beau. Il fait beau. The next one is il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais, which means the weather is bad. Now in all of them I have not written the weather is. That goes without saying, the weather is bad. So il fait mauvais. Why? Because mauvais, which means bad. The next one is il fait bon. Now mauvais, the opposite is bon, which means the weather is good. So il fait beau, il fait mauvais. The next one is il fait bon. Bon, right? The next one is il fait froid. Froid, which is again an adjective which means cold. So it means the weather is cold. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. The next one is the opposite is il fait chaud, which means the weather is hot or it's hot. Il fait chaud. The next one is il fait ensoleillé. Il fait ensoleillé, which means sunny. Il fait ensoleillé. Now there is a new concept which I am going to teach you over here. If you see, all of them are adjectives. Beau, mauvais, bon, froid, chaud et ensoleillé. All of them are adjectives. So there are two possibilities with il fait. The expression il fait. After the expression il fait, you can directly use the adjective. That's the first possibility. The next possibility is if you want to use the noun, like ensoleillé, which is an adjective which means sunny. But let's say if you want to use the noun version of it, which means sun, soleil, then in that case you will have to add du, de la, the L apostrophe or they to it. All of them are the partitive articles. If you do not know what exactly are the partitive articles and how do you use them, I'm going to mention the link of the video in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. Now, so either you can use il fait plus the adjective,
or else after il fait you are using a noun. In that case you will have to write du or de la or de l'apostrophe or des before the noun you are using. So you have two possibilities, both of them mean exactly the same, that the weather is sunny. Il fait ensoleillé, or else you can say il fait du soleil. Il fait du soleil. Let's just revise them once again. Il fait beau. Il fait mauvais. Il fait bon. Il fait froid. Il fait chaud. And here you have two possibilities. You can say il fait ensoleillé, or you can say il fait du soleil. Alright, so the next one is il fait humide. Il fait humide, which means the weather is humid. Right? Il fait humide. The next one is il fait venteux. Il fait venteux. Now that's an adjective which means windy. The weather is windy. Now here I have written the second possibility of writing the same thing. Venteux, which is an adjective. Now vent, which means wind. Right? So that's a noun. Now just now I told you, if you have a noun, in that case you will have to use the partitive article du, de la, de l'apostrophe. Now vent, which is masculine, so I have used du. Il fait du vent. But the meaning will come out to be the same. The weather is windy, the weather is windy. Right? Il fait humide, il fait venteux, or you can say il fait du vent. The next one is il fait pluvieux. Pluvieux. Pluvieux, which means rainy. Il fait pluvieux. The next one is il fait nuageux. Now all of them are adjectives. Pluvieux, nuageux. The next one also is an adjective. Il fait nuageux. Nuageux. Nuageux, which means cloudy. The next one is il fait neigeux. Remember, these two are very close to each other. This is nuageux. This is neigeux. Neigeux, which means snowy. Il fait neigeux. The next one is il fait du brouillard. Brouillard. Now this one is a noun, right? So for this I have used the partitive article du. Il fait du brouillard, which means it is foggy. And the last one is il fait orageux. Orageux, which means stormy. Il fait orageux, right? Let's just revise them once again. First one is il fait humide. The weather is humid. Il fait venteux, which means the weather is windy. You have the second possibility of saying the same thing. You can also say il fait du vent. The next one is il fait pluvieux. Il fait pluvieux. The weather is rainy. The next one is il fait nuageux. Il fait nuageux, which means the weather is cloudy. The next one is il fait neigeux. Neigeux, which means the weather is snowy. The next one is il fait du brouillard. Il fait du brouillard. The weather is foggy. And the last one is il fait orageux. Il fait orageux, which means the weather is stormy. Now, if you know any other expression related to how is the weather, please mention them in the comment section below. Of course, there are a lot of other expressions that we use. I have taught some of them in this video. So if you know any other expression, please mention them in the comment section below. And that's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.